The mission continues on immigration enforcement. The media was giddy that somehow Alligator Alcatraz was, quote, shutting down. Now, we told them that that wasn't true. There have been illegal aliens continuing to be there and being removed and returned to their home country. But they ran with the narrative because some leftist judge ruled implausibly that somehow Florida wasn't allowed to use our own property to help the federal government in this important mission because they didn't do an environmental impact statement. Well, we said we would fight that. We said the mission would continue. And I'm pleased to say that the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals has just stayed that ruling and stayed the case. So Alligator Alcatraz is, in fact, like we've always said, open for business. The mission continues, and we're going to continue leading the way when it comes to immigration enforcement.
Bam! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get all these third world migrants sent home. Sent home. What could be nicer than going home? There's no place like home. Decision out of the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals shuts down the federal judges. One of the things I want to talk with all of you about is that I'm observing these appellate court judges finally being willing to acknowledge that these unelected, black-robed, tyrannical, inferior district trial court federal judges are acting like little hoes and need to be pimp-slapped back into order. I'm seeing these crazy rulings coming out of these district courts and the appellate courts like the same day, issuing stays, demanding, you know how some of these district courts have been machine gunning the Trump White House? I want an update report now, and another one in 20 minutes, and another one 10 minutes after that, and 5 minutes. I'm seeing the appellate courts start to do this to these feckless, unelected, black-robed, tyrannical, inferior district trial court judges. The adults are back in the courtroom.